Okay, so if you're watching this, you bought an aftermarket radio, you got a Bose factory sound system, and your radio is coming on, but you're getting no sound. Huh, guess what it is? Okay, so you have your factory plug right here for your harness. Don't mind these some bullcrap wires from the guy that owned it for me. But you got your factory harness, right? Well, back here in the back, well, this is the one that's hooked up to now. So back here in the back, down in that hole, if you look, there's a plug down there. You want to pull that plug out from right there, pop the little pin loose, and plug your adapter into that plug that's back there. And you will get sound, and it bypasses the factory amplifier. So your speakers are going to run off your radio. Alright, I hope that helped. Just so you can hear the static, but the sound, because I don't have the antenna hooked up yet. But there was no sound earlier. Alright, so I hope that helped you.